How do we achieve first-time right production for screw fastening and assembly in the manufacturing sector? But first, why? During an 8-hour shift, human errors are unavoidable without the right process control. For example, errors can happen in a simple task such as wheel assembly. But with our software TRiMiTi, we can address this problem. So how do we do it? In the first step, the supervisor or the worker defines the work order. TRiMiTi observes and learns the screw fastening sequence using various sensors such as cameras in combination with smart tools. Once the work order is saved, TRiMiTi guides the worker through all assembly steps, verifying that the process is done right. TRiMiTi also saves all the actions made by the worker with timestamps in its database. The worker is guided in his work by TRiMiTi and can also see his next steps via a screen if needed, and whether they are done right or wrong. If the work order is done correctly, the worker gets a notification from the system and can then move on to the next task. In this manner, TRiMiTi assures a first-time right production, 100% process control, and thus integrates manual work in Industry 4.0.